Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Audi A3 Sportback. It is a little bit hidden, okay? The first step is look in the center of you, in front of you, and you can see there is an satellite icon. That means the watch will automatically get the right time. That's a good function, of course, but you have to set this first, okay? For this, we go into our in our entertainment system, in our computer. That means we have to switch on the device. You do not have to start the engine. And then you can see on the home screen, we can navigate on the upper left side. That means if you rotate the knob to the main position, we have four buttons at the side of this rotatable knob, and this we will use to come into our clock adjustment. We do not use the hot buttons, navigation or radio. We go to the menu and then we push the upper left button to enter into the time settings option. Okay, let's perform this now. We push on the left upper side the button and enter into this adjustable thing. And there are a lot of things. You can make a clock adjustment by GPS. This is the satellite thing, but you can switch to manually. Then you can enter by yourself with the knob, the rotary knob, the right time and date, of course. In this part, you can make it manually. And of course, you can make summertime and wintertime on or off. Then we have time zones, plus and minus 1 hour. And of course, 24 hours option or the 12 hours option is available too, as you like. With that settings, you can choose the right clock, the right time with or in your entertainment system in your car easily. But I think the bad thing is go to the GPS mode, and this will set the date and the time set up automatically by using the satellite system. That's the easiest way, and I think it's the best way there. If you do not see the satellite icon, you are not in automatic mode. That means you are in manually mode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.